Hi, this is Lauren Younger at the University of Dallas Library, and today I'm going to show you how to access and use a database called ARTstor. ARTstor stands for Art Storage, and you'll find ARTstor in the A to Z list of databases on the library homepage. You can visit udallas.edu/library and scroll down to the database list. And you can go ahead and navigate to ARTstor now. And if you are accessing ARTstor from home rather than from the University of Dallas campus, I do recommend going ahead and creating an account and logging in. You'll have access to more images that way, and you'll need an account anyway if you'd like to download images or create presentations. So if you're accessing from home, do go ahead and create an account. If you're on campus, you'll still have access to those images, and you can create an account a little bit later. Go ahead and select ARTstor Digital Library. And ARTstor is a repository maintained by a nonprofit organization that collects high-quality images from museums and libraries and other collections and organizes them in a searchable database, currently with several million items. We're going to start with just a basic search. In the basic search box, you can type in the artist Albert Bierstadt. And go ahead and hit enter on your keyboard or click the magnifying glass. If I wanted to limit my results to the paintings of this artist, on the left side under classification, I could select paintings. If I wanted to limit further by location, I could do that under geography. I can see under the contributor facet that many items have been contributed by the University of California in San Diego, but there are several other museums that have contributed several images by this particular artist. Let's say that I'm looking for a particular painting by this artist, and I want to go ahead and search for that now. I can click this box, Search Within Results, to find a specific painting within my 24 pages of results. And I'm going to go ahead and search for the painting Merced River, Yosemite Valley. So I'm going to just type in Merced River, and again hit enter on your keyboard or use the magnifying glass. And I've added that search term to the term Albert Bierstadt without deleting the original term. So I see 3 images of the painting that I was interested in. Now, if I wanted to learn more about one of the images, I could select it to open up a larger file. And let's say that this is the image that I'm looking for. If I wanted to cite this painting in Chicago style, which is typically the style used by our art departments, I could just click here on Cite This Item, and I'll see an example of what that citation would look like in APA, MLA, and Chicago style. Here's Chicago style right here at the bottom, and I can just copy and paste that to the paper or the presentation that I'm working on. If I do want to download this image, I will be prompted to make an account. So I'm going to be asked to log in or register. Creating an account is completely free, so I encourage you to do that if you would like to be able to download images, save them, or share them. And you'll need to use your University of Dallas email address to create an account. To show you a more advanced search, so let's return home to ARTstor, and this time select Advanced Search, and we're going to try searching for top hats made from silk in the 1850s, just as a fun example. So in the first search box, under In Any Field, you can choose material, and again, we want silk as the material we're looking for, and we are searching for top hats. So go ahead and type top hat into the second box, and you can go ahead and hit search on your screen, and then we can narrow by date on the next screen as well. So here I have 369 results for top hats made from silk. And if I want to narrow those results further, again on my left side, I can narrow by geography, by the way they've been classified, by who contributed them, but also by date. So I'm going to go ahead and look for items, let's say between 1840 and 1860. And I'm going to hit apply. And I've greatly narrowed my results. I see several top hats in the time period I'm looking at, around 1850, from various companies. And again, if I want to select one of the images, I can do so by clicking on it and view a larger version. If I want to work with multiple images at the same time, going back to my result, I can select the box next to those images. And then if I want to, say, create a PowerPoint presentation or send those images together or download them together, I can do that here, but I'll have to be logged in to do that. That's just a quick introduction into how to do a basic and a more advanced search in ARTstor. If you need any help with this database, I hope that you'll stop by the library or that you'll contact us. You can email the library at reference@udallas.edu. You can give us a call at 972-721-5315, or you can text the librarian at 972-325-5336.